ladies and gentlemen. This very short video is devoted to a very interesting incident that occurred a few days ago in the European Commission. The European Commission luckily rejected the proposal that has been voiced by Helena Dalli, the European Commissioner for Equality, and that proposal was aimed at forbidding and outlawing the public address as ladies and gentlemen. Here is Helena Dalli, who, by the way, came from Malta, very conservative and very Catholic island. So this lady, sorry. I shouldn't call her lady because she tried to outlaw that term herself. So how should I call her? Well, in the good old days, Estonians had a very interesting expression, isanda loomakene, which means God's little creature. So the proposal of that God's little creature reminded me of something that you probably haven't watched and haven't seen. That is an excerpt from one old Russian movie going back to 1971 that was devoted to the Russian Civil War that lasted between 1918 and 1921. In the excerpt that I'm going to show you, one anarchist field commander is discussing the same issue of ladies and gentlemen with the prisoners of war, with the officers of the Russian anti-communist army whom he took prisoners and was going to execute. So here it is. Okay, my brothers, don't be too angry at me, but we discussed this with my men, and we don't need any ladies and gentlemen or comrades. Just brothers or guys. And how about women? How are we going to address them? We'll figure out something regarding the chicks. Maybe you will help us. Well, indeed. Doesn't this excerpt remind you of the proposal made by Helena Dalli? At least it reminded me of it. By the way, the same God's little creature recently proposed to outlaw Christmas in the European Union because it could insult the tender feelings of someone else. But anyway, that's another topic. Meanwhile, let me wish you the merriest Christmas. Bye-bye.